Hey guys, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa. I'm excited that you're here. Oh, let me tell you, I made this video earlier this week and I put it on Facebook and I thought it was YouTube worthy. So it's about how to find your mid-tone color in an eyeshadow. And if you don't know how to do that, then please keep watching. Take notes, save this video, subscribe to this channel because I'm on here like every Sunday. So I thought I would just create this little intro to let you know that, hey, I've already made this tutorial. It's on Facebook. So if you follow me on Facebook, you probably have seen it, but I am going to have it on here. So if you have any questions or if there's anything you would love for me to do, maybe for the mature face, maybe put down in the comments some things that you're having issues with your mature face. I'm 57 as of this video. And so I love, love, love helping women feel confident and beautiful. So if you want to learn how to find your mid-tone color, just keep watching. Okay, so this is going to be such a simple and easy thing for you to do. All you need is like 3 colors, and I'm going to tell you what colors I'm using, and I'm going to walk you through this process. Do you know what your mid-tone color is? What is a mid-tone color? It can be called a transition color, a primary color, but basically what this is, it is going to be a color of eyeshadow that is either close or a little darker than your skin tone. So I chose one that is just a little darker than my skin tone, and it is the one we're gonna use today, and I'm gonna walk you through this process. The first thing you're gonna need, we're gonna do a wash of color, just one wash of color all over your eyelid. So basically we're gonna take a little fluffy brush, and I'm using the color Lay Back, this right here. Oh gosh, I didn't mean to drop it. That's my life. Yeah, but you're gonna put this all over your eyelid, all over. Now, it's called a wash of color. Why is it called a wash of color? Because we're using one color to lighten up the whole entire eyelid to get it ready. Now, I am using no shiny colors. This is all mattes. So it's friendly to the mature eye. So basically, I'm gearing this toward us 30s, 40s, 50s, you know, your late 30s and stuff. And 70s and 80s. Yes, you can do this. Okay, so my mid-tone color that I chose is Nimble. Now, Nimble is it's kind of a taupey brown. It's a cool tone brown. And I love this color. It's perfect. You see my skin tone? If I went with a Astute would have been a little too light. So this one is a happy medium. Now I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill. This is my carved crease brush. And basically what you want to do is start and take some of this color. I'm going to dip this into the end of this, just like that, with the color on the end. Now I am going to show you a little trick. There are some tips and tricks throughout this deal. Now, basically, what we're going to do is start in the corner, and you're going to go right through your crease, right through here, and you're going to start over here, and you're going to take this color, and you're going to blend it right through your crease, and you're going to windshield wiper motion back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, kind of build the coverage, and maybe bring it up on your brow bone just a little bit, depending on your eye shape. My eye shape, I like to bring it up on my brow bone just a tad. Now, keep your eyes open as you're doing this. We don't walk around with our eyes shut, do we? No, we don't. And it may look like I've got my eye closed, but I don't. I'm actually looking down in the mirror, okay? So keep your eye open, and you're gonna bring it all the way in to your nose. You see that? So I'm bringing the color all the way in to my nose. You haven't seen me do that before, have you? Now, we're going to grab a little more color, just a tad. I'm going to brush it off on my hand, and we're going to blend it in just a tad more, and then we're going to bring it up right in the area above where we just created that line. Kind of right up to almost your eyebrow. I pretty much brought it up to my eyebrow. And then to blend it, blend it, blend it. Now get some off of your hand and come back and kind of blend this area right again. How pretty is this? This is very easy. Neutral colors. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. See it? You see it? Now, you may get a little bit left. You may get a little bit down on your eyelid. And so what you want to do is come back and grab the lighter color. And you can touch that up if you did. Because what we're trying to do, we're making the illusion of an eyelid. You see that? My whole eyelid is showing. Yeah, we love that. All right, let's grab the crease brush again, one more time. And we're gonna go back in and we're gonna darken the crease just a little bit. We're gonna come in with Nimble again, and we're gonna go right into that crease, darkening it. I cannot talk today. And then bring it inward to the nose. You see? Bring it in, bring it up, slightly up. Wipe it off, and then bring it, and then just kind of take that color you just applied and kind of blend it up into that inner corner right up here. You see the difference? It's really opening up my eyes, but it's a perfect neutral tone color for my face. Now, if you need help with finding your neutral tone color, I'll be glad to help you do that. But Nimble is pretty good across the board neutral tone color. All right, so now, if you want to add a little drama to this look, we can add a little drama to it. I want to show you a little trick. A lot of you may have a tube like this, and what we're going to do, we're going to deepen the outer corner. And if you don't have shadow shields or whatever that you can put here to help you, then you can use something like this. You place this right at the corner and angle it up toward the brow tail. You see that? Right there. This gives you a nice guideline. Now I'm going to use the color Marvelous. It's also a matte chocolate brown. And I'm going to take just a crease brush like this, and we're going to apply this color right here in the corner. Just giving us a little bit of depth. And what this does, it gives you a nice straight edge. Look, ta-da! Have you tried this before? We're only darkening the outer edge. Just the outer edge. Oh, this is so pretty. I think that when you do it this way, this is a great neutral color for anyone. It also lifts your eye up. Can you see how my eye is just drawn straight up? Now that I have that nice line there, I can come back and kind of diffuse that line using this same brush. And we are not bringing this into the crease. We're only bringing it right here in this outer corner. I might bring it in just a tad along my lash line and then upward. There you go. And what you want to do is grab this brush, because this has a little bit of Nimble on it, and we're going to soften this out using that Nimble color, because we don't want anything harsh. We just want it all blended together. Very pretty. Very easy eye look. Look at that. Yeah. And now you want to bring it underneath your eyes. I'm going to use a little smaller brush for this. I don't know the name of this one. This one is one of the Jaclyn Hill brushes. And you bring it right underneath. Just ever so slightly. Now I did bring it in just a little more than I normally would. I brought it pretty much all the way through. And just kind of lightly sweeping back and forth. And remember, hold the brushes back here. You have the most, if you come up here, you have too much pressure and you can apply too much product. So if you hold it back, you have a much lighter hand, and boom. You've got a nice little line. Now, if you needed to come back and touch up your crease, come back and grab a little bit more of Nimble and come back in your crease. Bring it all the way in, all the way in. You don't normally see me do that. But this is a technique that I learned off of YouTube, and I loved it and I want to share it. And then bring it up in this area here to meet your brow, or right at your brow. Look at that. How pretty is that? You can do this. I swear you can do it. It's 3 colors. It's 3 matte colors. And so I'm going to add a liner, and I'll be right back. So I added just a tad of liner. Can you see the difference? I took a chocolate. This is proper liner. And what I did was I started at the corner. No wings. We're not trying to do wings. This is a very uncomplicated look. And all I did was draw it from here all the way over to where my lashes stop, right over here. That's it. That's all you want to do. And then you're going to add some mascara. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back in just a second. Okay, here's my finished look. What do you think? What do you think? Can you tell a difference in one of my eyes? I actually made this in the daytime look, and then you can take it into nighttime. All I did was take a simple eyeliner in the color Proper, and I went right in here and darkened just this outer corner. See that? What a difference that makes. So wear this to work, come home, hubby says, hey, let's go out and have some dinner. And you go, ooh, give me 1 minute. And then you run in and you can just tight line like right here in this area. Can you see what I'm doing? I hope you can. I don't bring it all the way in. However, you can bring it all the way in if you like. There you go. And the one last finishing touch for this look is our a la mode luminizer. Yes. Grab your little brush. Let me find this brush. I want to use this brush here. I'm going to tap this in, and I'm going to put it right here in this inner corner, just to highlight in that corner. You see the difference? Now it matches. And I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm going to run it right up underneath my brow. Why? Because it really is beautiful. It's not glitter, so it's not like it's going to be a beacon of light coming off of your off of your eyes. It's just very, very luminous. There you go. And if you feel like you want a little bit of light throughout your face, you could take a little fan brush like this. Let's do this and finish off your look. Come down your nose here, and just a little on your chin. See that? Now you have a nice little overall glow. All right, try this out. I know you can do it. 3 eyeshadows. I used Laid Back. I used, let me see if I can put all these up here. I used Laid Back. I used Nimble. And then I turned around and added Marvelous. You can't see all the colors, but these are the 3 colors that I used to create this. Remember, mid-tone shade. Mid-tone shade is a little darker than your natural skin tone, okay? Give it a try. Thanks.